Gravity, hypnotic bathware with exquisite range of durable products. The journey of Gravity started in 2006 under the leadership of dynamic and visionary entrepreneurs Mr. Anup Agarwal and Mr. Rahul Agarwal. From a very humble beginning with only few employees, fewer machines, and a very narrow range of products, the company has now grown to 500 employees, over 200 machines, and a wide range of products for every segment of its customers.
We at Gravity have always kept the interest of our customers, distributors and employees above our own profits. Our intention is to provide world-class quality product and service at the most economical prices. Gravity अपने आप में ग्रेविटी है, कस्टमर का सेटिस्फेक्शन ग्रेविटी है, सभी कस्टमर का विश्वास ग्रेविटी है, हर प्रोडक्ट का ना केवल सुंदर बनाना बल्कि ड्यूरेबल बनाना ग्रेविटी है, तभी हम ग्रेविटी हैं, जीत की गारंटी ग्रेविटी है.
Over the years, the company has established its credibility for delivering an extensive range of quality and reliable products, covering elegant-looking showers, faucets accessories, and special purpose taps designed with creativity and expertise, thus providing complete bath solution to its customers. The company has a team of qualified managers and technical professionals working as a team with an indomitable spirit to sustain excellence and customer satisfaction. As a result, the company has now thousands of satisfied customers all over India. Keeping in mind the need for the uber modern customer, Gravity has thrown the door to the world of style wide open.
At Gravity we believe good is not good enough and we strive for excellence. As a brand, we are recognized for our innovative designs and durable products. Our state-of-the-art machinery and futuristic technology have helped us delivering high-quality products to thousands of our satisfied customers. For us, Gravity stands for glamorous, reliable, affordable, versatile, incredible, and technically advanced and young.
The quality delivered by Gravity, an ISO 9001-2008 certified company, is the result of superior quality materials which are environment friendly and long lasting. Blending innovative equipment and cutting edge technology, Gravity turns these high quality raw materials into excellent products. The manufacturing involves various processes such as die making, casting, machining, chrome plating, assembling, testing, printing, and packaging. The company believes in sustainable production and consumption, and hence employs responsible production processes and uses eco-friendly, recyclable packings to prevent or minimize the depletion of resources. With its focus on quality and excellence, Gravity stands determined to bolster growth and sustain success through integrating innovation and effective business strategies, thereby creating value addition to all its stakeholders. Gravity, hypnotic bathware